Hello guys, in today's video I am going to show you that how to apply skin on your debit card from wrap-up skin. If you are got tired from your plain and boring look of your debit card and want to give it a unique and professional look with some extra protection, then you have to come to this place. So without any delay, let's get started. Our very first step is to choose perfect skin for your debit card. There are so many different designs to choose, or you can check out our website Wrap-Up Skin. Now let's move to our next step. It's a time to prepare your debit card. Press the skin on your card starting from the center and working your way outwards of a card, or by your finger to smooth out any bubbles or any lines. See, it's ready. This is how skin transforms your boring card look to a wow look. It makes it unique from others but also protects from scratches and stains. It also maintains your privacy, which is necessary for your debit and credit cards. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please follow our social media handles for more updates.